Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, Karen and I figure out if you really need to clean out a water heater. We experimented on 2 different water heaters of different ages just to see if we really need to clean them out. So here you go. We're gonna teach you how to siphon gas out of a truck illegally today.
Oh my god.
I can't put the water in there if there's a rag.
Well, whose fault is it?
Thank you very much.
So what are you doing today?
Oh, I always heard that you had to... Sorry.
Why you want that? I'm a vegetarian.
I always heard that you should drain your water heater every once in a while for sediment, and I've never done it. And this was installed 7 years ago, so we're gonna try it out. See if we get any muck. Oh, if I knew which way to thread something.
So you just take a hose and
Yeah, we just...
hook it onto your relief.
Yeah, the only thing is you're throwing away hot water.
Yeah.
But
You
we're
know
gonna
me.
try it out just to see if we get gunk. Let's see, is it gonna be clear water or is it gonna be water?
Oh!
Not bad.
No, but it was yellow for just a sec.
Oh, ours is really good.
That's awesome.
Cool. It's about 7 years.
Oh, God!
Oh, I see.
What?
It's not a normal valve.
What doing? What doing? Water everywhere. What doing?
This isn't a normal valve like a water faucet spigot. If I turn it halfway, it's on. If I keep turning it, then it's off. Then I keep turning it, it's on, and turn it, it's off. So,
Oh, so it just cycles?
yeah. So just a little bit of rust. So after
Yeah.
5-7 years,
Well, however
Not bad.
old the house is, yeah.
pretty good.
We'll have to check my mother's.
Yeah. Well, that wasn't bad.
No,
I was expecting
like muck.
a lot of
I was expecting the same thing you'd get in the filter.
I know, but good job us.
Well, where did you hear this from?
Internet things, just researching here and there and everywhere.
And
Now we go to the next house.
Hi.
So this water heater's 13, so it's twice as old as ours, so we'll see if there's any yuck in them. And no, you don't have to empty it into a bucket. We're just doing that to see if there's anything grody. Here is the vomit end of the hose. Come on, puke.
Oh!
Oh, wow, that wasn't bad.
Not too bad. Little darker
A
than
little
that.
darker, not bad.
Not bad for clay.
Just a little bit of...
Rude.
What the heck?
That's not too
So
bad
that's not
for.
bad after 13. So when you see those videos online where it's just black coming out, I'm thinking that would be like a 20 to 30 year old water heater. It's right here.
Right here.
Right
You're
here.
born on vacation.
So that's 12 years of sediment.
Or 13. Or whatever you said. Tuba.
Less popular in high school.
You're an idiot.
Popular in college.
No.
Singles. And that's how you clean out a water heater if you have to. I don't really know if you do, but if you want to, it's easy. Try it. Point. Rude.
Do you think doing that increases the life of the water heater? Since you're got a plumbing background?
No, because we never did it in 25 years of plumbing. So in conclusion, I don't know if you really need to clean out a water heater or not. They weren't too dirty. If it's something you want to do, pretty easy, go for it. And if not, I really wouldn't worry about it. So I hope you learned a little bit about this episode about the myth or practicality of cleaning out water heaters. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye.